Hey guys, it's Chris. So today is going to make part 3 in the last part of the big old bald spot and friends, the little mini series we had going here. But basically I want to tell you guys how it ends. But first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for all your encouragement, all your kind words, all your positive thoughts and prayers. You know, I know something like hair can seem like so trivial and it can seem like such a vain thing to kind of be stressing about, but I was stressing about it a little, you know, not gonna lie. I didn't know if it was caused by some underlying condition or something like that, but I'm glad that it's not. And so I want to tell you how this journey ends, I guess, or how it's gonna go from here on out. So I did opt to get 2 rounds of injections, but I'm feeling a little apprehensive about getting any kind of injections these days. So I figured I would stop with that. And so as far as treating the spots and getting it to grow back, I'm using prayer and essential oils. And I'm okay with that. As you can see, there was kind of a spot here. Let me zoom you in. There was kind of a spot here that, you know, can kind of cover up a little bit. But I mean, it doesn't bother me that much. Like, I guess now that I've pointed it out, you can probably see it like on the sides here, but it's not, in comparison with this side, it's not that big a deal. But let me show you the major bald spot and how it's grown back in. The dermatologist was correct about the texture being different. That's a little interesting. Like, let me show you. This is a spot here. You may not be able to tell on camera, but the texture is quite different. It's looser. And actually, now that I'm looking at it on camera here for the first time, like, I would feel comfortable if I were to do like a deep side part. Like, because it's straight now, of course, it would lay down and all. You know, we could do a deep side part again, which is my favorite. But yeah, that's it. So you can't even really tell the gem. And let me show you my spot. You can kind of see it here. A little bit. I feel like I could like just mess that hair up a little bit right there and just cover it up. You can't even really tell when I have my hair blown out like this, but going forward, I'm hopeful that, you know, as time goes on, the rest of it will grow back into the way that it was before, God willing. But what I've learned through this is to take care of myself, and that's what I would want you guys to take away from this too. You know, we're so used to being so busy and being go, go, go all the time, but even those of us that are used to going all the time and doing things all the time, everybody needs a time to rest and reset. And, you know, our bodies are designed in such a way that, you know, your body will let you know if something's wrong or if something's off or if you need to slow down. So just make sure, you know, you take time for yourself and take care of yourself, because you can't pour from an empty cup. But that's really it. I know there's just a quick little video update. I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys on that. I do have more content coming, more hair content, more hair related content and product reviews. So I'd appreciate it if you guys stick around for that. And as for always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.